Meet my father, 64 years old, looks young, full of energy. Ang tanong, anong sekreto niya? Syempre dahil senior na siya, we choose healthy every day. Kaya I give him Diabeta Herbs, made with 12 natural ingredients that helps manage diabetes, uric acid, high blood, joint pain, palpitation, poor sleep, and more. Diabeta Herbs is a healthy choice, especially for seniors like him. Diabeta Plus 18-in-1 Herbal Coffee Mix, benefits, walang caffeine, kaya heart-friendly. Stevia lang, 100% natural na tamis. Ginagawang normal ang sugar level, nakaka-relax ng stress at anxiety, nakakatulong mag-boost ng immune system at liver health, nakakababa rin ng blood pressure, non-acidic, walang palpitation, mas masarap ang tulog ng mahimbing. FDA certified and halal approved na rin, and 100% organic. Since he started taking Diabeta Plus, mas naging aktibo siya, mas energized at mas mahaba pa ang tulog niya. Diabeta Plus Herbal Coffee Mix 18-in-1 is delicious, healthy, and guilt-free coffee na perfect for the whole family. Keep calm and drink Diabeta Plus a day for a healthier you.